In this video, you'll learn how to create read more links in Mailchimp. This process involves several steps that will enhance your email campaigns by allowing recipients to access additional content through a link. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website, open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will arrive at the Mailchimp home screen where you can manage your campaigns and audience. Next, locate the campaigns option on the main menu. Click on this to access the list of your existing campaigns. Here, you will see a selection of your campaigns along with options to create new ones. After that, identify the campaign you wish to modify. Click on the replicate button next to the campaign name. This action creates a copy of the campaign, allowing you to make changes without affecting the original. Once the new campaign opens, look for the Edit Design button and click on it. This will take you to the design interface where you can customize the content of your email. Now it's time to add your read more link. Type the text read more in the desired section of your email. This text will serve as the anchor for your link. Highlight the text read more that you just typed. This selection is necessary to create a hyperlink that directs readers to additional content. Next, find and click on the link option in the toolbar. This will prompt a dialog box to appear where you can enter the URL you want your link to direct to. Type in the URL you wish to link to in the provided field. Ensure that the URL is correct to avoid directing readers to the wrong page. After entering the URL, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. This action will secure the link within your email content. To ensure everything appears as intended, click on the Preview Link option. This allows you to view how the email will look to recipients, including the newly added Read More link. It's important to check your internet connection and ensure that your file sizes are manageable, as large attachments might slow down the upload process. Additionally, verify your Mailchimp storage limits to avoid any interruptions when saving your campaign. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.